My name is Martina and welcome to my salon, welcome to my video, and welcome to my channel. I am the face and the owner of Golden Miss Nail Design, and this is my very first video. Big thank you, big hug, lots of kisses and heart, if I did this right, to all my wonderful clients and all of my followers who have been following me for 10 years since I've been running this business. Thank you so much. So what is my channel going to be about, and what am I going to talk about in my future videos? Well, first of all, let's start with how to do your nails, how to pick your nail technician, how to use different materials for your nails, because what's the difference between biogel? What's the difference between acrylic nails? How do we know which extensions are best? Are we doing forms? Are we doing tips? And so on. These will be some of the topics that I'll be dealing with. Health, for example, is really important when it comes to nails today, so we will be covering that topic for sure. So what about those competition nails? What about those extra long nails that cost so much and take so many hours to do? We will be discussing them as well in my future videos, and many more. In this short video, I want to go through my new website. I'm so excited about my new website. I'm so excited to share it with you. I want to show you how to book online. I also want to go through the new services that I'm offering, and we will briefly touch upon the price list as well. So let's Google Golden Miss Nail Design. This will take you to our Google site. Book online is a blue button that you can see. So let's click book online. Services are on the left, the list of services that you can book. You click, you pick your date, you pick your time, and you put in your information, first name, last name, and so on. At the bottom, you can see again, blue book, and you click that and you are set to go. So let's go back. So let's go to our Square booking. You can see appointments, Square site, same thing. You will see a monthly special. Every month we'll have something special for you to book. So same thing, click book now. You can select several services. You click continue. You pick your date, you pick your timing, and you put in your information plus your card as well. You click I agree, book an appointment, and you're all set to go. So we'll go back now and let us go to our official website. Under Golden Miss Nail Design, click website. This will take you directly to our website. So here we are on our home page website. Some crucial information, call us, book now. Is exactly the same as you have previously seen, and you can get the map and directions as well. Scroll down to see our latest work and more info. So let us now go to our services. So we click services. This will take us to what services we offer. If you click biogel, for example, click here. It will give you some crucial information about biogel, so please do read that because it's very important. Go back to our price list. Important things, taxes are included in all our prices. Please note, we do not work with tips and glue. Instead, we use high quality forms for all nail extensions. If you are confused about the sizes, here is click to get size chart, SML, XL, XXL. We have pedicure, shellac manicure, acry-gel, nail art, and at the end we have extras and ways that you can pay us, such as debit, credit, e-transfer, and so on. So here we are at the end of my very first video. If you liked the video, give me thumbs up, comment below, follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube channel. Next week, I will be doing another video. However, I will not be revealing the topic, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time.